Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmawati, NIM H03200006. Definition Anoa. Anoa bubalus sp is the largest and endemic mammal that lives on the mainland of Sulawesi Island and Buton Island. Many call Anoa a draw buffalo. Anoa is an animal belonging to the traditional fauna. Anoa is a mammal belonging to the buffoid family, which is spread almost throughout the island of Sulawesi. Characteristic of Anoa. Anoa is an endemic animal to the island of Sulawesi. According to history, Anoa has been on the island of Sulawesi since the Tertiary era 60 million years ago. The following is a scientific classification of Anoa. Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordates, Class Mammalis, Order Artiodactyla, Family Bovidae, Genus Bubalus, Species Quarles, B. depressicornis. Anoa has general characteristics such as a buffalo-like skin color. Its horns are striped back and are tapered and slightly flattened. Anoa lives a nomadic life. When meeting enemies, Anoa will prefer to avoid by throwing themselves into swamps or puddles of water. When pressed, he will fight with his horns. Anoa is actively looking for food during the day and night.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hasgun and I will read a material about types of Anoa. According to Groves 1969, in Sulawesi there are two types of Anoa, namely lowland Anoa, Bubalus depressionis, and mountain Anoa, Bubalus quares. 1. Lowland Anoa, Bubalus depressionis is often called a small buffalo because its shape is similar to a buffalo but with a smaller size, about the size of a goat. This species also has other names such as lowland Anoa, Anoa de Llanura, or Anoa des Plains. Compared to its close relative, the mountain Anoa, lowland Anoa has a relatively fat body size. Body length is about 150 cm with a height of about 85 cm. The horn of the lowland Anoa 40 cm long, while the lowland Anoa body weight reaches 300 kg. Lowland Anoa can live to reach the age of 30 years, which is sexually mature at the age 2 to 3 years. Anoa females give birth to one baby in each gestation period. The gestation period itself is around 9 to 10 months. Anoa chicks will follow their mothers until they reach adulthood, even though they have been weaned at 9 to 10 months of age. So, it is not uncommon for one parent to be seen together with two Anoa children of different ages. Lowland Anoa habitats range from coastal forests, the highland forest, to highland forests with an altitude for 1,000 meters above sea level. Anoa likes forest areas on the banks of rivers of lakes, considering that these endangered protect.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Olga Sri Rahayu, and I will explain about Mountain Anoa or Bubalus depressiconis. Mountain Anoa has other names such as Mountain Anoa, Anoa de Montagne, Anoa de Montana. In Latin, Anoa mountains are called Bubalus quarlesi. Mountain Anoa body size is slimmer than lowland Anoa. Body length is about 122 to 156 cm, with a height of about 75 cm. The length of the horns of the mountain Anoa is about 27 cm, with an adult body weight of about 150 kilograms. Mountain Anoa are between 20 to 25 years old, which are sexually mature when they are 2 to 3 years old. The gestation period of the mountain is the same as that of the lowland Anoa, which is 9 to 10 months, with only one child per pregnancy. Anoa chick will follow their mothers until they reach adulthood, even though they have been weaned at 9 to 10 months of age. Mountain Anoa lives in highland forests up to an altitude of 3,000 meters above sea level. Even so, sometimes Mountain Anoa comes down to the beach in search of salt that their metabolism needs. Mountain Anoa tends to be more active in the morning and less in midday. Anoa often take shelter under large trees, under overhigh crotch, and is splashed under tree roots or wallow in mud and ponds.
My name is Rati Puspa, NIM H03200020. Anoa population. Based on the results of monitoring in North Sulawesi at the end of the 19th century, it showed that Bubalus depressicornis still had a wide distribution area from the northern tip of Sulawesi. Even half a century ago, Bubalus depressicornis still was found in the forests of Bolang Mongondo and Gorontalo. Since then, there has been a very drastic decline, in addition to habitat destruction as well as a consequence. Population decline occurs due to habitat loss, due to habitat destruction, as well as extensive hunting. In such circumstances, species can decrease rapidly and lead to extinction. For this reason, it is necessary to have conservation efforts with special aim to protect endangered species. In addition, the habitat is damaged due to encroachment, shifting, cultivation, and the low attitude of the community towards these animals. For this reason, it is necessary to conserve Anoa so that its existence in nature can be maintained. This is very important, especially to maintain the balance of ecosystems such as.
Number 5. Habitat. Anoa has a specific habitat with components and location distribution that can support feed needs and behavior, and in open locations such as grasslands, it is rarely inhabited. Therefore, the birds whose lives move from place to place when encountering an enemy. Anoa will defend themselves by plunging into the swamp, and if forced to fight, they will use their arms. In contrast to cows who prefer to live in groups, Anoa live semi-solitary, live alone or in pairs and will only meet with her heads if the female is about to give birth. They are most active in the morning and evening when the air is still cold, because Anoa have a habit of cooling their bodies. That's why sometimes they like to soak in mud or water. Anoa has a very limited distribution, while its population and habitat are decreasing both in quantity and quality. Number 6, Anoa distribution. The distribution of Anoa is very limited throughout the world because it is an endemic animal that is only found on the island of Sulawesi. This rare animal is found on the main island of Sulawesi and Buton Island of the southwest coast. There have been no report of this animal being found on the island around Sulawesi, based on the distribution map and the fact of its population in nature. The distribution of this animal is experiencing a rapid decline in the northern part of this rare animal in North Sulawesi, such as the Gunung Ambang Nature Reserve, Tangkoko Batuangus Nature Reserve, and the Manembo Nature Reserve, which have experienced extinction locally.